Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Ladies and gentlemen, we are from the closing government side. Under the motion today is this House believe that feminist movement should aggressively oppose the K-pop industry. But before is, I want to respond from the opening governments. Well, we see from the OG or opening government just saying by general beauty standards. But if we see must specifically like a national feminist movement, so that means that must keep their feminist movement identity with national. Focus on and then the next mistake from the OG, they just focus on standard beauty standardization. But ladies and gentlemen, from the OG did not tell us that K-pop industry more than that, like a passion, like a talent, and so on. And ladies and gentlemen, like what Kim Jong-un said, that K-pop is one of cancer of for the teenager, because this is the big impact or of the big target of K-pop industry. They like will impact from the mental health. Even they're feeling like they're going crazy when they talk about K-popers. For example, in K-pop industry, when the BTS meal coming out, every teenager, basically for the woman, wanted to buy it and force themselves to get it without think too much how they get it, but they force themselves anything they can do, and anything any way they do it. And then this means that K-pop industry is the biggest effect, even like they going crazy. For example, case of Ray Martin and Una, because they just more like talented and beautiful, so they are related to K-pop, but K-pop industry. But ladies and gentlemen, but in logic is not related, and this is not logic, and I believe and there is no related or similarity between it. So it means every case in a world will the society always related to K-pop industry. The next point is the society when the society always accept someone who has a better or looks handsome or good, and then they accept it, they love it, or they like it without dating deeply. This is the one of choice of standard K-pop industry. And then the feminist movement should aggressively to oppose the K-pop industry because this is for women, because why must woman, because the big impact is for the woman. And then when they don't get that the standardization of K-pop industry, they will get a justification because the society unacceptable about it. And then from the opening government saying that aggressive, they always they means too crucial and too contradiction about the K-pop industry. Better we add aggressive to educate, not to oppose directly to K-pop industry. Aggressively must public and many way to continue, and maybe we can choose a smooth way that like education to give their education to the woman about that feminism movement, like education chances. They must love themselves without a trend beauty standards of K-pop industry. They must show that they have own talent without the standard of talent of K-pop industry. They have own beauty without a standard of K-pop industry, and they have a unique and beautiful mind on their fashion too without the standards of K-pop industry. They must believe that we can have a potential to oppose, and we can oppose this K-pop industry. Why we must why this feminist movement must aggressively, because we this feminist woman on a process, so it means that we did not reach the goals yet, so it means we must aggressively to get the goals of it. Thank you.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, as we know that K-pop is so popular in our country, exactly for teenager, and we know that the teenagers is very likely or going crazy with that K-pop, and this is the influence of the K-pop is very dangerous for our country. Why I say like that? Because the opposite said that it's never mind, or it's off, or it's not matter. We cannot to we cannot to aggressively to force this feminist woman. It's not matter to aggressively oppose the K-pop, but this is the wrong. It's the quite wrong. Why? Because if we see in our country exactly in the teenagers is so very going crazy with this K-pop, and we focus to our nationality, and exactly it can change our nationality. Why I say like that? Because if the culture of Indonesia if culture Indonesia collaborate with another culture from another country, it can be influenced. It can be influenced in our nationality. And you know that nationality, our nationality, that so proud from our language, our country, our behavior, and so on. But when the K-pop entered to the Indonesian, exactly for it influence the teenagers, nationality, our nationality is very changed, and it can be dangerous from before. Why? Because when the teenager don't think about their nationality, they just idol they just idol their idol just from another country. It can make our idol in our, or I mean here that our product in our country is not it can be bankrupt. Why? Because there is no teenager can proud of their product in their country, but they just make the good god, or they make the culture from another country. I mean here that the K-pop to the standardization and all of thing. I mean that here in the culture, in the language, and standardization in the beauty or handsome. Okay, we focus in the language. As we know that so many teenagers is very feel cool when say when they say or when they speak in the language from another country. I mean here that the Korean language. They feel cool when they say the daebak or oppa and so on. It is make our language, it is show that our nationality is can dangerous, it can change. Why? Because our language is our teenager is not proud to their language. They just feel cool, or they better they feel better while they speak in the another country. I mean here that the Korean. So it's can make our nationality very change and increase from before. And the second one is the society acceptable. You know that society our society is just show the Korean from the talent, from her handsome, from her face. I mean her face or her talent, her famous, her popularity, but they don't think about the another influence or another impact from that. Okay, for example, from the movie, from the song, from the language, from the Korean, from the K-pop, is very acceptable in our society, but they don't think about what the something in the back, what is something in behind it. They can be over crazy, and they can be like, I think that don't have a nationality like before. And the second one, they can crazy as they can make the K-pop is the one or the number one to idol, to make their idol. They can say that the Korean is very famous. The Korean is very good for us. So we have to like them. We have to like them, and you know that nowadays so many Korea, so many smell about Korea in our country, like the army food of Korean meal. This is like show that our product in our country is not they're not to their product, but they better, or they feel better, they feel cool, where they show the another country culture or language before their country. So I'm very agree with our motion. I very agree when the feminist movement strongly or aggressively oppose the K-pop industry in our country, because of there are some several or some reason I say that before. Okay, thank you.